Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a physics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. Students, after the class 10th, we will start with the new topic, new chapters, new type of the concept related to class 11th, physics. Basically, science. In the class 10th science consists the three major parts. First one is the physics, second one is the chemistry, and third one is the biology. Physics, that means a simple mathematical portion of science. What is the mean of physics? What is the importance of physics? How many applications of the physics? How many branches of physics? We have to study in the chapter number first, introduction. First one, what is the mean of physics? According to the definition of book, it is a branch of science in which we have to study basic law of nature and natural phenomena. What is the mean of the natural law? That means a very easy concept. What is alpha, what is beta, light, ray, electron, proton, neutron, law of conservation, energy, heat, particle, motion, momentum, each and everything which can be visible, physical, are known as physics. That means a simple definition, basic law of nature. Physics is a branch of science in which we have to study basic law of nature and natural phenomena. That is a definition of physics. Now, two basic things in the physics. First one is the matter and second one is the energy. So, what is the mean of matter? According to the definition, in the form of definition, we can say it is something that has mass, occupy space. Two things are there, mass and space, just like a vector. What is the mean of the vector? Which have the direction with magnitude. Two parts are there, direction with magnitude. Same like mass with space are known as matter. Opposite to matter, which doesn't have mass, don't have space, are known as energy. So student, first one, in the case of the physics consists two basic things. First one is the matter and second one is the energy. Matter, what is the mean of the matter? It is something that has mass, occupy space. That means also weight with the space are known as the matter. Opposite to matter are known as energy. That means it is something that has no matter, doesn't have space, are known as energy. But in the case of energy consists in the different forms. According to the principle of the Einstein, energy neither created nor be destroyed. It can be converted from one part to another form. Potential will be converted into chemical convert into electrical, mechanical, and so forms of the energy. So we can say, okay, matters, that means it is something that has mass and occupy space, are known as matter. The types of matter basically divide into three parts according to the book. But practical knowledge, matter basically divide into four parts. First one, solid, as you know, liquid, as you know, gas, as you know. But apart of the book, okay, matter may be defined by the fourth part, plasma. What is the mean of the plasma? I will told. First one is the solid. What is the mean of the solid? Solid just like a stone. Okay, the attraction force between the particle is maximum. What is the proper definition of the solid? When the attraction force between the molecules or particle or substance very maximum, are known as solid. But in the case of the liquid, when the attraction force between the molecules or substance or particle is low as compared to solid. In the case of the liquid, attraction force is low as compared to solid, but attraction force is high as compared to gas. For example, a simple example, universal example is water. Next, gas. In the case of the solid and liquid, the particle consists attraction force, but in the case of gas, particles, moles or substance consist repulsion force. In the case of the solid and liquid, both consist the attraction force, but in the case of the gas, molecules consist repulsion force. So what is the definition of the gas? When the particle consists repulsion force, these type are known as the matter. I think you understand about the solid, liquid and gas. In the case of the solid and liquid, applied the attraction force, but in the case of the gas, applied the repulsion force. Now, the solid, liquid, gas, a relational formula, that means the force, attraction force in solid is more as compare the attraction force in compare of the liquid. In case of the gas, repulsion force. Now, time to study branch of physics. In the case of the branch of physics, two types of the branches. First one, classical physics, and second one is the modern physics. In the case of classical physics, we have to study classical physics. In the case of the classical physics, we have to study mechanics, thermodynamics and optics. So what is the mean of mechanics? Mechanics, that means a game of machines, different types of machines. You know that another field of the branch of engineering, mechanical engineering. Very good. So I think you getting the proper meaning of the mechanics. Mechanics, that means a branch of physics in which we study stationary and slow moving objects. Branch of physics in which we study about stationary and slow moving objects. What is the mean of the thermodynamics? Thermodynamics, that means totally based on heat and temperature. Two words are there. First one is the heat and second one is the temperature. In the class 9th NCERT, you know the difference between the heat and temperature. Thermodynamics is another branch of classical physics in which we have to study on the concept based heat and temperature. Finally, third point, optics, branch of physics. First one is the mechanics, second one is the thermodynamics, and third one is the optics. What is the mean of optics? It is the major part of the class 12th. When you study in the class 12th, according marks, as a marks point of view, optics is very important, larger part of class 12th. Optics, it is the another branch of physics in which we have to study light and light energy. What is the meaning of the light and light energy? Simply, that means related to light and related to the applications of the light. So you know that about the physics. Physics consists the two things, matter and energy. Matter, definition, opposite to matter are known as the energy. The force between the molecules of the solid is high as compared to liquid. Here is the attraction force, here is the repulsion force. Branch of physics, that means mechanical, thermodynamics and optics. Now, next point is the conservation's law. Conservation consists of four basic themes. First one is the law of conservation of linear momentum and second one is the angular momentum. Okay, words are related to each other, linear momentum and angular momentum. What is the mean of the linear momentum? Okay, when I am moving in the straight line, okay, a part are known as the linear momentum. Straight line, in the case we having the linear momentum, but when any object moving in the circular path are known as the angular momentum. Basic thing, linear momentum, that means a straight, angular momentum, that means a circular path. Now, law of conservation of energy, interesting topic. Albert Einstein, law of conservation of energy will be equal of E will be equal of mc square. E that means energy, m that means mass of molecules, mass of particle, mass of substance, depends on you. E that means energy, m that means mass, and c that means speed of light will be equal of 3.18 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second speed of light. So law of conservation of energy mathematically E equal to mc square, but theory part, ठीक है, energy cannot be created nor destroy, it convert from one to another forms. How many forms are there of energy? How many forms? Number of, just like potential energy, kinetic energy, mechanical energy, ठीक है, heat energy, and so on. Different type of energies are there. Law of conservation of change. Conservation of change, that means a isolated system. What is the meaning of the isolated system? ठीक है, just like a room, ठीक है, 2 coulomb charge, 3 coulomb charge, 4 coulomb charge, ठीक है, after the, ठीक है, then we getting the same 1, 5 and 4. Sum q1 plus q2 plus q3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 5 plus 5 will be equal of 10 coulomb. After some time interval, 1 plus 4 will be equal of 5, 5 plus 5 will be equal of 10. That means ठीक है, no change in the isolated system. These property are known as law of conservation of charge. Conservation law basically divide into 4 categories. Now time for the nature of force. What is the meaning of the nature? Nature, that means a type. Here we have the 2 types of the force, attraction and repulsion, basic concept. But force basically divided into 4 categories: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nucleus and weak. Firstly I introduce strong nuclear force and weak nuclear force. Inside of nucleus force are known as strong nuclear force. Inside of nucleus, but outside of nucleus are known as the weak nucleus force. In the case of the gravitational force, you know that a force applied between the planets, ठीक है, between the planets, just like sun and earth. A force between the planets are known as the gravitational force. But in the case of the electromagnetic force, in the simple language, a force in the space are known as the gravitational force. Inside of the earth are known as the electromagnetic force. I hope student you getting the proper concept about the all topics of the chapter number 1, which known as the introduction class 11 physics. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube channel.